Not all riders are in their 20s anymore, and that's okay. If you're over 50 and still love to ride, this video is for you. You've earned your miles, and now it's time to enjoy the road with comfort, confidence, and ease. We spoke with experienced riders, mechanics, and riding communities across America, and a clear pattern emerged. These 7 motorcycles are praised again and again by senior bikers for one reason. They just feel right. They're not about speed or flash, but about freedom, practicality, and reliability. So whether you're getting back into riding or never stopped, stick around. We've got a list that might just reignite your two-wheeled passion. Before we get into the list, let's talk about what makes a cruiser reliable. Low-maintenance engines, proven track records, cheap parts, simplicity over unnecessary tech. If a bike has survived 100,000 plus miles in real-world riding, it deserves a place here. 7. Honda Shadow Aero. The Honda Shadow Aero isn't just beginner-friendly, it's bulletproof. With its shaft drive, 750cm engine, and classic styling, this bike often runs for decades with little more than oil and tire changes. 6. Yamaha V Star 650. Ask any mechanic and they'll tell you, the Yamaha V Star 650 is a legend for reliability. Air-cooled, carbureted, and stone simple, it's the kind of bike that shrugs off neglect and keeps on thumping. 5. Suzuki Boulevard S40. One cylinder, 650 centimeters. Lightweight, the S40, formerly Savage 650, has been running since the 80s with minimal changes. It's a cruiser that beginners and old schoolers both love for its reliability and low cost. 4. Kawasaki Vulcan 500 LTD. Don't let the small number fool you. The Vulcan 500 packs a parallel twin engine derived from a Ninja sport bike. It revs high, lasts forever, and parts are everywhere. For under $3,000 used, it's a gem. 3. Harley-Davidson Sportster 883. Yes, a Harley. The 883 Sportster has legendary status for good reason. Air-cooled V-twin, tons of aftermarket support, and a design that hasn't changed much in 30 years. It just works. 2. Yamaha Bolt. Yamaha's answer to the Sportster. The Bolt is modern but not overcomplicated. With a torquey 942cm V-twin, this bike has been proving itself since 2014 with almost zero reliability issues. 1. Honda Rebel 500. Our top spot goes to the Honda Rebel 500. Fuel-injected, lightweight, and surprisingly tough. It's become the go-to cruiser for new riders and veterans who want a fuss-free daily ride. These bikes just don't quit. There you have it, 7 cruisers that just don't know how to quit. If you're looking for a low-budget ride that you can count on year after year, any of these will do the trick. Drop a comment and let us know which one you'd ride into the sunset. And don't forget to like, subscribe,